A key inspection for gear reducers is to listen for noise. Excessive noise can point to misalignment, poor lubrication, worn or failed bearings, or worn or damaged gear teeth. The inspection should focus on a change in the sound. Use a stethoscope if necessary. Don't have a stethoscope? You can use a wooden stick to listen for noise. A rumbling noise can mean heavy tooth wear or a lack of lubricant. It may also squeak. Erratic noise and backlash can indicate that the drive unit speed is oscillating. Erratic noise could mean that there are bumps on the pinion of the gear, maybe due to a new installation or repair. It can also reveal a torsional problem, where the critical speed is induced after a startup or system change. Smooth noise can be a warning of a failed bearing or loose foundation bolts. Similarly, incidental noise could indicate loose foundation bolts. How to determine and fix. Check the gear teeth on shutdown. Rumbling. Change/refill lubricant. Rumbling or squeaking. Check gear's next shutdown. Erratic noise and backlash. Disconnect the output coupling and run drive. If noise changes or disappears, system is the cause. Erratic noise and backlash. Take unit apart on shutdown. Check for shiny spots on gear. Erratic noise. Another example. Make mechanical blue imprint. Erratic noise. Check gear clearance with lead or plastic wire. Erratic noise. Consult system expert. Torsional problem. Check axial float. Smooth. Tighten bolts. Check foundation condition. Smooth or incidental. Even though the gear reducer is making noise, be sure the condition isn't caused from other system problems, such as fluctuation in drive speed or coupling wear. For more on how to inspect and care for the gear reducer, purchase IDCON's Condition Monitoring Standards Volume 1. Email us for a free sample.